Clean visible edges and precise weld seam preparation are crucial for quality and further processing. The Metallkraft Edge Deburrer KE 150 is the stationary solution for exact, reproducible beveling results in professional applications. It is suitable for processing a wide variety of materials. This makes it versatile for use in workshops, manufacturing, or metal construction. The stepless angle adjustment allows for maximum flexibility in edge processing. Additionally, defined locking points are available at 15 degrees, 30 degrees, and 45 degrees. The bevel depth is set precisely using an easy-to-read scale. The stationary design and robust construction make the KE 150 exceptionally well suited for long-term operation. The Metallkraft Edge Deburrer KE 150 stands for precise visible edges, clean bevels, and professional weld seam preparation.